My name is President Joshua, and I'm the Quality Control Analyst of LIDA Packaging Products Ltd. Now, LIDA Packaging Products Ltd. initially was manufacturing non-woven packaging materials, but due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which happened to shock the world that they were not even prepared for, the MD, Managing Director of LIDA Packaging Products Ltd. decided to transcend from manufacturing the non-woven plastic materials to starting to manufacture the face masks that we have. Initially, we had only 2 machines that used to manufacture the non-woven face masks, that is medical and non-medical. But with time, we've also started manufacturing the N95 medical mask. Now, the N95 medical masks have a filtering capacity of 95%, and they filter up to 0.3 microns of all the microorganisms. Now, this company has now moved to manufacturing around 5,000 masks a day, that is for the medical, and around 5,000 for the non-medical, and also 5,000 for the N95 face mask. Our market is mostly by different companies, for example, pharmaceutical companies. The public is also interested in our face masks, and also other people who come and buy in retail, but we also sell mostly in wholesale. Face mask production started this year in the month of May, and so far we've now moved around 2 months in the production of quality face masks for the Republic of Uganda.
is Richard here. I'm from LIDA Packaging Company. So we've been in this company working on other products, but since this issue of Corona entered, the boss was having a problem with supplying people with the masks. Buying them, they were expensive. So what he decided to do, he decided to shift into making masks, which is making masks. We are making a surgical mask. We have this one of fabric, which is helping, like especially the one I'm putting here. This one is surgical. It's only doctors who mostly preferable to use this one, because there you go where there is, there is a sick person you are dealing with. So I've been working, we've been kept here, we've been not being like right now, most of the companies, they have stopped them. And for us, we are lucky enough, we are still working. So it has been helping me, like with my family. I've been giving them help at home, built their home. My family are giving help, and even me myself, there's a lot of things you cannot tell, but most of people are crying out there, but still we have a chance of working. And so we thank the company, we thank them for helping people, the one we have like employees, and even the things with the products we are producing to help Uganda. In fact, for him, he had a ambition of supplying even East Africa.
I'm delighted that people have responded positively to the presidential call that they should start manufacturing masks in Uganda, and particularly Mukono, in my constituency, Mukono North. My Chinese have responded in partnership with Patrick Uganda to ensure that this factory takes off and respond to the big demand of masks. They'll be able to produce 1 million masks a day, and for this will be enough in Uganda, and they can actually export and save lives elsewhere, like Sudan and other East African countries. Talk of Congo, talk of Sudan, we think as Uganda we are proud that we are on top of the game in the fight of Corona.